Hello again and welcome, loyal informed friends of TrendWatch Viral. Today, we have breaking news on an astonishing economic development that could cause Bitcoin to skyrocket more than 10 times its current value, up to $1 million or more per Bitcoin. Despite market turbulence sending Bitcoin plunging nearly 25% since January, a game-changing cryptocurrency evolution is quietly taking shape in Washington. President Trump's executive order establishing a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve has industry insiders predicting Bitcoin could reach an astonishing $1 million by 2030. But is this just wishful thinking or the beginning of cryptocurrency's biggest revolution yet? The cryptocurrency landscape has experienced significant volatility over recent months. Bitcoin has dropped nearly 25% since January, while Ethereum has lost half its value since December. And yet, seasoned crypto investors remain surprisingly unfazed. As cryptocurrency expert Daniel Harrison explains, these corrections happen frequently. Looking back at previous cycles, we've seen this pattern before. A substantial rally followed by a sharp decline, which often precedes a truly massive upswing when market FOMO, or fear of missing out, kicks in. The most significant development sending shockwaves through crypto markets is Donald Trump's action on the establishment of a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve. Much like America's strategic petroleum reserve helps manage oil supply disruptions, this initiative aims to stockpile Bitcoin as a national asset. According to the executive order, the reserve will initially be funded with Bitcoin already in government possession from seizures and forfeitures. More importantly, it establishes a framework for additional acquisitions through budget-neutral means, potentially including selling other assets like gold. And this marks a dramatic shift for the world's largest economy. For context, the U.S. currently maintains strategic reserves of petroleum, defense materials, food, pharmaceuticals, and gold, but cryptocurrency has never before been included in this elite category of national security assets. Market analyst Jennifer Zhao notes, what's significant isn't just the initial holdings, but the long-term implication. If Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, both known for their pro-crypto stance, implement an aggressive acquisition strategy, we could see the U.S. holding upwards of 1 million Bitcoin by 2030. But critics argue cryptocurrency lacks essential use cases during economic crises. Unlike oil that fuels transportation or materials that build infrastructure, Bitcoin's utility during emergencies remains theoretical. There's also concern about potential taxpayer exposure if prices crash and the government feels pressured to intervene. Additionally, questions remain about which cryptocurrencies belong in a national reserve. While Bitcoin seems the obvious choice, the executive order initially mentioned multiple cryptocurrencies, sparking debate about whether America should focus exclusively on Bitcoin or include domestic blockchain projects as well. Adding to the bullish case is Bitcoin's increasingly limited supply. Of the 21 million maximum coins, experts estimate as many as 4.8 million have been permanently lost or are otherwise inaccessible. With institutional investors already holding over 1 million coins through ETFs and only 450 new Bitcoins mined daily, simple supply-demand economics suggests prices could rise substantially if major governments begin accumulating. The strategic implications extend far beyond simple price predictions. If the United States embraces cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation and dollar dependence, other nations may follow suit, accelerating adoption worldwide. Even China, despite publicly banning crypto trading, is reportedly considering its own Bitcoin reserve to reduce reliance on the dollar. For investors watching these developments, experts recommend a measured approach, dollar cost averaging with funds you can afford to lose, rather than trying to time market volatility that can shift 10% on a Sunday afternoon when markets are typically closed. As cryptocurrency continues its journey from fringe technology to potential national asset, one thing remains clear. Whether Bitcoin reaches $1 million or not, the financial landscape is transforming before our eyes. Here at TrendWatch Viral, we'll continue monitoring these developments as they unfold. Once again, this is TrendWatch Viral, your trusted source of unbiased, politically neutral, objective breaking news. Here at TrendWatch Viral, we keep you informed and we leave you to make up your own mind. Okay, one last thing. For free access to a brain audio breakthrough recording that until recently was kept hidden from the general public by the rich and powerful, and which can help ordinary people like you and me, regardless of our current situation, to be able to start attracting wealth quickly. Please send an email right away to info@trendwatchviral.com with attract wealth in the subject line before this recording is taken down.